Hey guys, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel. Going to continue here, of course. Guys, I'm so happy it runs. First, I'm going to try and get it without error codes, so I know it's good. Then I'm going to take that stupid alarm system out. I'm just gonna yank it out of here, but I need to know if it runs and does all the things it needs to do before I take it out, because otherwise I'm going to be fighting myself. And I'm good at creating those problems, but I'm going to try and not do that. So yeah guys, and then I'm not sure what I'll do. There's a million things to do, and it's getting tedious. I know it's getting hard to make some cool video out of it, but guys, there's in the near future there's some cool stuff coming. I'm going to be using the original side skirts on this car, and I'm going to be making the original wing spoiler fit. I have some fiberglass over here. I have some bumper spray because I'm going to be painting parts of the dashboard. I'm going to try and fit a double DIN Android unit in this dashboard. I think I figured it out how to do it, but we'll see when I get there. I've not seen that done yet, so hopefully that's something really cool for the future. I'm going to be making a custom boost gauge, guys, with the same dial face as the original cluster, so it's going to be sick. I have a ton of stuff to do, but this is a busy month for me, so let's see how much I can get done. So yeah guys, let's go. Guys, it's running pretty good. I'm really happy. I just needed some time to clear out, and the engine started to run a lot better, so pretty happy. Check the fault codes, see if what's up with this engine. Oof. 12 faults, so okay. Oh, cooling temp, standard. Misfires. Secondary injection. Lambda, nice airflow. Yeah guys, these are all because it was running rough. And the coolant temp sensor, the G62, I'm going to be putting a new one in there because that's a classic thing. It makes it so the engine doesn't really know how hot it is, and the fuel correction will be wrong. So it's always a good thing to change them out. They're a couple bucks. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna delete these codes. Yeah, I want to erase no faults. Okay, pretty good. Let's just start it real quick and see if something comes back. Right, few fault codes, no big deal. I'll figure them out later. Let's go guys. Was never plugged in correct. The misfire on cylinder 3, I'll do that later. We're going to change out the spark plugs and alright guys, it's running really good. I'm really happy. So Okay, so before we continue this build, I wanted to show you guys some stuff on the computer. So I'll take you there now. Okay guys, I wanted to give you two very useful websites. So I'll show you how to get there. The first one is Online Edka, guys, the original Volkswagen Edka. If you go to Google search and type in interface car probe 2, Google that, you'll find a website called EF Interface. If you click that, this is Online Edka, guys. Car Probe 2, pick that guy, and you have all original Volkswagen stuff, guys. You can also do Seat, Skoda, here you can see Cordoba, that was mine. All the parts. Let's just pick this guy, boom. Original parts list, guys. Very helpful when finding parts, or matching stuff, or using eBay or Kleinanzeigen or whatever. So, and I have another one. This is also a good one. You type in car diag N and then search for 6K2. Enter that, you have cardiagn.com, and this guy is the complete wiring diagram of this car. So you look at the date here, if you check on 1.8 liter engine, boom. Match the color so they know you're not a bot. For human, it's the original wiring diagram, guys. Hope it's helpful. It is for me, so let's go, guys. Guys, I'm really happy. Looks really good. This textured. Well, yeah, looks really good. Way better than that stupid gray original color. So happy. I'm going to be modifying this guy. Not in this video. I don't have the radio yet. But you can see it's some weird stuff. So this looks way better. I'm going to be making a double din in here. It's gonna be some special stuff, guys. So yeah, let's go. taking the original Cupra Cordoba door Bart. This was a coupe, so the door is a little bit longer, but a whole bunch of parts fit, guys. So that's really cool. Definitely using that guy. I am really thinking about using the Cupra mirrors. I like them more than the Caddy ones, but I'm you know, I'm not sure, because you do need to modify it a little bit. The tweeter over here also fits, but it needs a little bit more room for the tweeter. You need to make a hole here, and also for the cable of the mirror you need a hole. So that's too bad, but I'm considering using this because I like some music. And if we go over here, these are the window mechanisms. It's pretty much the same, guys. The only thing is this, the bracket to mount the window on is on the other side of on the original Caddy one, and it's a little bit longer because it's a coupe. So if I can't get this to fit, maybe I can use a 4-door Cordoba one, or from an Ibiza or whatever. So I will check into that. And the door lock mechanism, pretty much the same, but this is a central locking one, and I like that on the car. So you can see, man, they're so close. The mounting holes are the same. So I'm going to test fit, and we'll see, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys. The window mechanism fits. You just have a little extra cable, so I tied it here, so you have some room for the window. Not sure if I can get it on video, but yeah, it's really hard to see. But in there you need a little bit more clearance. So yeah, guys, I'm happy. I'll show you how it works. Alright, guys, works perfect, really happy. Only thing was these window holders, whatever, from the Caddy, they're different. This square hole here, the angle is slightly different, so I just used the ones from the Caddy, and as you've seen, it worked perfect. So really happy, guys. This is all I have time for. This video is going out tomorrow, so I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I hope you get some motivation to work on your projects. As I told you guys, a lot of cool stuff is coming in the future, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.